What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Joaquin Corrales, and in this video we're going to learn the 4 top ways to make money online today if you're a complete beginner. Okay, so if you're trying to make your first $1,000 per month to go out there and start a business and start a Shopify store, maybe you want to go out there and buy a course that's going to help you start your own business. If you're a complete beginner, this video is going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. Let's jump into my computer and get right into it. Alright guys, so welcome inside of my computer and we're going to get right into it. So remember, these ways are not ways that are going to allow you to make millions of dollars, right? You're not going to be able to make $10,000 this month doing this. But these are ways that if you're a beginner, okay, you're a complete beginner, you're able to go out there with no experience whatsoever and start making money online. So the first way that I want to talk about is using websites like Fiverr, freelancer.com, and peopleperhour.com, and how we're going to create these websites. And before I get into that, let me kind of explain what these websites are. So what these websites are freelancer marketplaces, right? And basically what that means is that when people need something done, they're going to come in here and they're going to look for it, right? And it's going to be done for a very cheap amount of money. But here's how you guys are going to be able to use these platforms, okay, and start making money online. So what you guys are going to do is that you guys are going to go ahead and create an account on Fiverr.com, on freelancer.com, and on peopleperhour.com. And once you create your account on there, you're going to make a job posting for transcribing, right? From voice to text. So there's going to be a ton of people that are looking for the service of having someone make their voice, their MP3 file or whatever into actual text. And so what you guys are going to do is that you're going to put the job postings up on these platforms. And when someone actually hires you, this is what you're going to do. So what you're going to do is that you're going to come to youtube.com, right? And you're going to create a YouTube profile. Now, after you create your YouTube profile, what you're going to do is that you're going to upload a video, all right? Now, after you upload the video, the next thing that you're going to do after that is that you're going to go to your actual video manager, okay? You're going to go to the video manager, and then after that, you're going to go ahead and click on edit, right? So let's say that I want to edit this video right here. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to click on subtitles right here all the way at the top right. You're going to click on subtitles. You're going to click on add new subtitle. Let me pause this real quick. Add new subtitle English, right? Or whatever language they want. And then you're going to click on create new subtitles or closed caption, right? And once you click on that, something amazing happens, and it's that it literally creates the text for you, right? It transcribes the entire video into this text. And then what you guys have to do is literally this, okay? Because the person that wants you to do this job, what they're going to want is a specific file. So what you're going to do is that you're going to download here, click on actions, and you're going to click on download, and it's going to go ahead and download a SBV file, and this is the file that you're going to give to your client, all right? And the best thing about this is that it literally takes no work from us whatsoever other than taking the file that these people are giving us, uploading it into youtube.com, and then having Google's algorithms and YouTube's algorithms transcribe it for us. So it's actually super easy, and it's incredible how accurate it is, right? Because what I'll do next is that I'll go in here and I'll make sure that things are right, but it literally takes 30 seconds because they're really, really accurate. Like, their algorithms for transcribing are super good, super good. So guys, that's one way to do that. And the best part about that is that you guys could make actually a pretty good amount of money doing this, especially considering the fact that you're not having to do anything on your own, right? All you're doing is you're basically being the middleman between this person and YouTube, right? Because they don't know that you could go on YouTube and use this tool right here to have the job done for you. So remember, you guys are going to make profiles on Fiverr.com. You're going to make profiles on freelancer.com, and you're also going to make a profile on peopleperhour.com. Just so that you have more chances of getting jobs, right? Because obviously there are other people in here that you're competing with, but if you're able to go to these websites and have 3 different profiles on these platforms, then there are a lot higher chances that you're gonna be able to go out there and do these types of jobs for people. So the second way that you could go out there and start making money online is using something called Amazon Mechanical Turk, okay? So this is actually a service by Amazon, and what this is basically human intelligence, right? And that's just a really cool way of saying that you're gonna be able to do small tasks for other jobs for pay, obviously, right? So you're gonna get paid for your time for these small tasks. But remember, like I said before, this isn't something that's gonna be long term. This is for you to make enough money to go out there and start your own Shopify store, to start your own business, or to go out there and buy a course that's gonna teach you how to do that, right? If you're a beginner and you're trying to get that first decent amount of money to go out there and do that, then this is for you. So you're gonna be doing Mechanical Turk, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and in here, businesses are going to come and they're going to request different things, right? And so some of the things that you could be doing is, for example, image and video processing. For example, you're going to be reviewing a set of images to select the best picture to represent a product, right? You're going to be classifying objects found in satellite imagery. That actually sounds kind of cool. You're going to tag objects found in an image to improve your search or advertising targeting, right? So you're going to be doing basically human work that requires a human to go out there and do it and get paid for it, right? Now, you're not going to get paid a ton of money. I think that the way that you're going to be able to make the most amount of money is using the first way that we spoke about as far as transcribing it, because people will very easily pay 5, 10, 15 bucks to transcribe something, and it literally takes you like 5 minutes. But if you're able to combine a couple of these, then you're able to make even more, right? You're also going to be verifying restaurant details such as phone numbers, hours, whatever, information gathering, filling out market research or survey data, right? So there's a whole bunch of different things that you're going to be able to do. Human powered translation services. Oh, look, so you could even do transcribing through Mechanical Turk, right? So not only can you use Fiverr, Freelancer, and peopleperhour.com, but you could even make an account on Amazon Mechanical Turk and then specify that you want to do transcribing, right? And then you just upload it to YouTube, which a lot of people don't know, for you to be able to obviously have a head start on everything having to do with that. Now, the third way that we're going to go out there and start making money online is using user testing, going to usertesting.com, right? And basically what this is a platform that's going to allow you guys to go on here. Then you're going to click on get paid to test. And I've actually heard of people making upwards of like $30 an hour with this one. So this one is actually another one that's very good for you to get started doing. And basically what you're going to do here is that, let's take a read here, earn $10 per test, right? So you visit a website or app, and then you complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, right? So you basically have to tell them what you think about the website, right? You're literally going out there and testing mobile apps, you're testing software and giving your input on it so that you're able to get paid, obviously, the $10. Now, every single user test takes somewhere around 20 minutes, right? Right here it says get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So if you split that into an hour, you get paid $30 an hour, right? And I'm not sure if they have any limits or whatever, but this is actually pretty cool, right? You're able to go out there and test software, something you could probably do on your free time instead of going on social media or whatever. So usertesting.com, and then you click on that button at the top up there that says get paid to test. This is actually a pretty cool one. I'm actually going to start looking at this website for my own software to have people test it and see what type of results we get from that. That's pretty cool. The last way to make money online that I'm going to go over in this video is going to be Clickworker.com. Now, Clickworker.com is sort of similar to Amazon Mechanical Turk, right? In the sense that what you're going to do is that you're basically going to be the human intelligence side of this platform, meaning that people are going to come, people are going to request a different variety of small jobs, and then you're going to go out there and you're going to complete these jobs and basically get paid for your time as far as how long the job took and what type of job it was. So not only can you make a profile on Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and Amazon Mechanical Turk for the transcribing, but you could also do it here, right? And you're not only limited to transcribing. Obviously, you could do all those different types of jobs that we spoke about, but this one is also very similar to Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, when you go out there and you're doing all these different things, it's good to do a couple of them at once, right? That's why I mentioned a couple of different platforms that maybe do something similar, because you want to spread yourself out in these platforms so that you're able to have more work, right? Now, again, guys, this isn't for someone that's advanced, someone that's already making a nice amount of money. This is for a complete beginner that wants to go out there and make his first $500, $400, $1,000 to be able to afford starting their business, right? So the ways that we went over is using Fiverr, Freelancer, and peopleperhour.com to transcribe videos for people into text, right? And we're going to do that using YouTube, which YouTube's algorithm is literally going to do 99% of the work for us. So that's going to be awesome, right? The other way that we're going to be able to go out there and make money online is using Amazon Mechanical Turk, right? And basically what this is that people are going to request a whole bunch of different tasks. They're going to request different things, and we're going to be able to go out there and complete these things for people, right? Smaller jobs, as we said before, things like reviewing a set of images to select the best one, right? So classifying objects, tagging objects. So it's things that anyone could do, right? You need no experience whatsoever, and you could go out there and you could start making money online almost instantly. The third way that we went over is user testing, and you could actually make upwards of $30 per hour with this, right? Which is actually pretty cool, because if you watch a 20-minute video, like it said here, right, we're gonna go there and click on get paid to test. If we watch a 20-minute video, we're gonna get paid $10 via PayPal, right? So if we're able to watch 3 videos per hour, then we can make 30 bucks an hour, which is awesome. But basically what you're gonna be doing on usertesting.com is that you're going to be able to go out there and test different mobile apps, test different softwares, and literally just give your thoughts on it, right? Just give your thoughts on what you guys think of the app, of the software that you're using, and get paid for that, which is awesome. And this last one right here is Clickworker, which is very similar to Amazon Mechanical Turk. We're going to come on this website, and then you're going to be able to do smaller jobs for people. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a 180-day challenge. We're releasing videos daily. Hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and drop a comment down below on whether you guys are going to start trying some of these, right? Whether you're in a position right now where it makes sense for you to do this and start making your first $100, $200, $300 to be able to go out there and take the next step towards making more money online. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.